Take a ride in the 2025 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, trip computer, tinted glass, compass. The RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.